Hello folks, welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be reviewing the BF110 by Hobbyboss. This is a different company than I usually review Airfix and Revel kits. So this is just something a bit different. The story behind this is I wanted to build a BF110. I have a lot of BF109s and I wanted to build this one. I wanted to build the Airfix one. The problem is though, the Airfix one is extremely, or at least in my country, and at least from what I found, is kind of rare and hard to come by. And maybe I might review that one if I ever buy it in the future, but this was the only option I had available, the Hobbyboss version. Now, the Hobbyboss kit, I found, first of all, I found this kit on being advertised on YouTube by Model Minutes, and I really liked it. Kind of a controversial opinion, but when it comes to model making, I really prefer the decal work and the painting. I really don't care about the actual building part. And soon I'll be reviewing the Tamiya kits, and I'll go into a bit more detail as to exactly why I don't like the building process. So this kit is being advertised as extremely easy to build, and my goodness, it was easy. I think it took only 10 minutes to assemble the whole kit. That's all. No sanding or anything required. Um, and that I didn't like rush my way. If I rushed it, I'd probably get it done in probably 3 minutes. The only part that I really struggled with was trying to get these on. For some reason, I don't know if you can see this, but they don't line up properly. So I had to do a lot of sanding and filing to get them down properly. Um, but all in all, I think it's a very, very good kit. Probably one of my favorites, and I'm going to be building more. I recently bought a Stuka. I'm going to be building that soon. I'll do a review of that if and whenever I get around to it. This was painted with enamel and acrylic for the canopy. One thing I do like about Hobby Boss, and this is someone who prefers to build more historically accurate aircraft. I know I just said about the detail in the building process, but you may notice the transfers on this particular aircraft is not something that Revel or Airfix would really provide, or Italeri either, or any other company. At least maybe Tamiya, but that's really about it. Um, Accurate transfers and accurate decals, and I think that's very important for someone who likes historically accurate aircraft. And I do like the transfers on this. One thing I will note though, and I'll be building more Hobby Boss kits, so maybe this is just a one-off, but the transfers on this are significantly lower quality than that of Airfix and Tamiya and Ravel. I actually had a decal tear on me. Let me see if it's on this side. Okay, oh, there it is there. So see the way it's torn? Yeah, they're extremely, like, brittle. I don't know, maybe I just got unlucky, I'm not sure, but yeah, the decals are not, I don't know, I have a love-hate relationship with them. They're good because they're accurate, but I don't know, they're a bit flimsy. Maybe you might want to source aftermarket decals if that is a problem, but if you have decal solution, it shouldn't be a problem. I did a bit of weathering as well. The plane looks a little bit gross though, to be honest. I should not have built it in white. I should have painted it in aircraft blue. I think that would have looked a lot better. Excuse me. So I did buy this kit from China, so me living in the British Isles, it took a few months to get here. But it did arrive eventually, and it wasn't that expensive. It cost €12, so extremely cheap. But money well spent, because I think it was really good. And I really wanted a 110 aircraft in my collection. So now I have it. If I ever review or build the Airfix version, I'll do a review of that. I say that one will be good, but who knows? Anyway, I hope you liked this short little review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.